Welcome to this tutorial. I'll be showing you how to create a simple church banner using Photoshop. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So what you can do, go to File, then place New or Control N, then set your width as 1920 by 1080, then your resolution 300, then color mode, select RGB mode, then place Create. So now we can prepare the background. Of course, you're welcome to this canvas. So you have to go to File, then place Embedded. Then it will open a folder where you have saved this. So choose background one, place. It will show you like this. Then adjust so that the background picture fits your canvas, like so. Of course, you can zoom out. You can zoom out then try to adjust again so that it fits perfectly in your canvas, like so. Right up, because we are only interested in the bottom part of this background image and the top part. So for the top part, we are going to duplicate this background image like that, or drag it on like a plus icon just down there. Then you have a duplicate. It will be renamed as background one. So then what you do, you need to rasterize these two layers actually after you set them properly, like that. So let's rasterize this one, the top one, rasterize it, like so. Then also I click this one, rasterize that. Then the other thing, you have to layer mask the top one, since we want to reveal the bottom part. So set your foreground to black, then place OK. Then you can set your brush to that size and your hardness, make sure that it's 10%, and adjust your brush size. Of course, you can use this. You can use the shortcut or the open brackets, close bracket on your PC. Adjust it as a brush, then blush off like that, and mounted part, blush off. Of course, we are blushing off from the top selected layer to reveal what is below it. So instead of me selecting that, let's just go back, switch by pressing this button, or just press X on your keyboard. Then have we invented the mask of the selection. So blush off like that. Then I think you are to go with the background. Then let's place this shape. Place it like so. You have to cut it nicely. Okay, I think I've done that part for you. So what you do, just drag and drop this part and you'll be ready to go. So what you should do is you just go to your pen tool. Okay, you can trace through this tape, trace through nicely. But let's go to your preferences. You have to change your zoom, because by default you have to hold Alt then scroll wheel. Now I want to be zooming just with the scroll wheel only. That is very handy and faster to trace this image. So that when I'm pressing, if I want to like zoom out, zoom in, I'll just use the scroll wheel instead of holding Alt then scroll. So let's check these tools then. So tick on this one, check that, then okay. So I can now zoom in like so. So now I can begin to trace this. But of course, as I said, that this part has been done for you, so you don't have to waste much of your time in this area. So you can start from there. You trace this that point and that point. You drag like so, drag up until it fits perfect. So let me just speed up so that you don't waste much time on this part. Let me speed up. Again, you can just see. I've said it to break this when you're seeing my anchor point is breaking. I'm holding hold, then I click on that point like so, then to break. so that I won't have a very funny curve thing. That's how you can delete the anchor point side. Okay, so you can go now to direct select to adjust these points like this. Okay, where you make sure that it fits properly. Then mark selection. Then you have to press selection to get that shape. Then you group these three, group them like so. Then you can rename that as the background. Then place it next on your canvas. Then go to far, place embedded, select that shape like so. Adjust it nicely. Then you have to go to branding option, expert branding option. Then set your gradients like this, and also mirror like so, the end like that. Then press OK, and you can duplicate this. Just drag that to into that plus icon, two of this, then Control T, then flip that. Then you have this shape. Then you can group that as shape layer. So then you add a shadow in using branding options. So just like to set it properly like that. Then you have to put your text now like that. Of course, you have to adjust the font size, spacing, then the color to white. Then you can type the name of the church, and that's what design ministries. Okay, so I think this is too big. Reduce the size, then adjust it like that. Then duplicate and change the font size to make it smaller. That's where you type presents, and then increase a bit of spacing. So then duplicate that. Okay, yeah, you can type the Holy Ghost. Of course, we want the theme to be Holy Ghost. So you can you keep on duplicating the text. That's the easiest way you can. So you can just hold Alt then drag off and J and select it, delete to duplicate like so. So the other part now, you can pin this, don't want to get distracted. Change the font size to something presentable, like in my case, show yeah, that's the name of the font. Okay, let's go to a font which is going to, which will suit with my design. You can need a decorative font like this, adjust the size, yeah, yes. Font is Orion, like something like that. I don't know. I don't know what the name of the font. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay. So but that's the name of the font. That's the name of the font. Yes. That's the name of the font. Also, change the font size for the Ghost, which is Holy Ghost. Revival. Work on revival. Make sure that you make sure that these things are contrasting. You can't use the same size. Okay, make sure that you adjust the font size. Yeah, make sure that things fits in your design. Don't just like design. I think this is too big. It's too big. I can give you one secret. Make sure that the font, the other fonts, or the other information, whatever information you want to put, you need to be reducing the font by half. I think that is how me I did this. You have to be reducing the font size by. So the Holy Ghost and that, okay, make sure that the size should be like this. And the revival, you have just a smaller, maybe less than half. But that's not a rule. That's something which I found out that works. So adjust this, the revival, and so yeah, try to make sure that everything fits in properly. Arrange them nicely so that at least your flyer will be able to, your flyer or your banner will be able to pop. It's just the same rule. Then let's add a line there. Just like Scottish color, draw a line like so. That is where the dates and that's where the date, the time will be. So duplicate this, then you can select from there, duplicate like that, then to take a smaller space there like so. Okay, and of course adjust where necessary, like I've done there. Okay, so yes, my dates are this. You can type in your date there, 27 to 30, 27 to 30, okay, 27 to 30. Of course, reduce the spacing there. Okay, make sure that the text format is properly done. Okay, 7 to 30. That's October 2024. Make sure that whatever you are doing is visible enough and the arrangement should be properly done. Okay? So I need to add the time. So I've selected that. Okay, I want something, yeah, something in red. Okay? Yeah, so that my whatever I put my time there, it will be very much visible. So that is I've used that as it's more like actually a press order for the time. Okay, at 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. That's daily. 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So you can just decide to this shape like so. And yeah, there you are done. So you just copy that, move it up so that it will be above this the red box, and then the rectangle element. So yes, adjust the spacing for this. They're not too much, but it should be reasonable. It should be looking appealing to your eyes. Okay, so it just a bit. But make sure your adjustment is making sense. Of course, your eyes can guide you. You know, the funny part is that those people who are not designers can do this without problem. So let's add a location. Okay, I've used the shape tool and there I type in location was chosen, ministries was chosen, ministries change, was chosen, ministries change. Okay, I've reduced the spacing there. Okay, yeah, so that's where you have to put your location. Hmm? Your location. So what's the ministry? Church, how many branch? That is the location for this event. Then adjust the size as follows. Okay, make sure everything is arranged nicely. Everything is arranged nicely. You can see I'm trying to adjust a few things then. Okay, trying to adjust them very nice. Okay. So go to I use the same permission I use for the text is the same gradient I've used for the way the main theme, which is Holy Ghost revival. So I need this Holy Ghost to need to pop up. Okay. Of course, you can use this blending concept. Okay. So I can copy and paste in layers after I are done with the blending of this text. Like so. Okay, so make sure you are done with most of the things there. That's your shape there. Let me reduce this and adjust it like that because I need a man of God to place here. So I've got to place embedded and place this man of God there. As I said, it's just a simple church plan. It's a simple church plan. Okay, placing like that. As you can see, the saturation of the man of God is very unique. It's very high. It's very okay. Let's type something. This is a 3 days. It's a 3 days program. So you have to type there. It's a 3 days program. So type 3 days revival like so. Then use the spacing. Okay, then you have to uh, yeah, make sure that the gradient, just the gradient for the whole course is the same as the same in this previous revive, so that it drains also properly. Because you have to make sure that the colors which you are dealing with, deal with minimal colors, deal with the colors which are also in the background, in your subject. You have also to do that. Make sure your fonts are also contrasting, like 3 days and revive. So I've just used the same font, like so. Then make sure it's like that. Now that one is a very bad shadow. Okay, what just that we just remove it actually later. Let's just do this. Copy and paste the branding option. Let's change this a bit. Like so. Okay, we can adjust it like that. Okay. Also let's adjust that too, so that it pops up. Pops up. See, but that shadow is fine. I don't like the shadow. Yeah, that is perfect. Okay. The blending, yeah. Okay, let's do the same with this. Then the other thing is that we just have to remove these shadows. Okay, let's first give this man his name. Let's type the name is Prophet Chani. So okay, the spacing, the size, reduce it to that. Of course, if I try to put it like this, it's too bright. The area is too bright. Okay, so I need to come up with an idea how I should make this pop. Okay, if I do like this, see again, this is okay. It's visible, but it's lacking something. So let's add a shape. Let's add a shape. Okay, I haven't seen the shape. Let me just a rectangle like so. Color white. Then let me move it down. Then position my text like that. And also make it a bit more than just the size of the font like that. It's that. Everything will be positioning. Okay, I'm positioning relatively to what is on my right side. And of course, the rectangle will be big, just like that. Okay, okay, we're almost done actually. So let's go to this button. Let's go to let's go to this button. Okay, um, so we group this. Let's group this image. Then we need to adjust. So let's adjust the button like so. So there, high contrast like that. But I want this to just affect the text and the image. So I want to do like so. Then we can go to this also. Let's adjust it. Let's make this pop up. So yeah, it's the background, yeah, the highlights. Okay, let's adjust it like this. Okay, so you can see what I've done there. Okay. Okay, this was a very long tutorial. It was long, but actually I just reduced it. So you can see I imported this for a lens sprayer thing, which is already in the resources, and this is just to make my text pop. Okay, text pop. So I'm just working in that area. So I have yes, position it like this, also like that. Let me just tell you something. If the background is black for a lens flare, actually, the way I've understood this is that if your background is black, set your blending mode to green. Okay. Then if it is white, use an value. That is the easiest way you can. That's the easiest you can do this. Easiest way you can do this. So that is how this thing. So that's how I designed this. Of course, this see where this is going to shine. Yeah, I need it well. Yeah. So, yeah. So that's now is done. Okay, you can also bring it to this other shape now and this do the same. You can try out this. Make sure you choose something which is going to work out. Your screen is not always working out. It's working out for me, but for some background, the things you have problems. You just have to test all of them. Then let us remove the shadow. As I said, this shadow is too strong. Let's just remove this. Okay? Let's remove that so that we can do something like presentable. So, okay, so the background then. Okay, let me just add a soft brush to it. Too bright that area. It's too bright. I need to let the light in the center. So, of course, I use the soft light so that the background will not show from the back. Like, so drag to that. Okay, the reason why I've done this, I want to test out something. I need to go to need to resize that group, then I need to go to filters, then I need to use the camera to see. But I'm sure my work will stand properly. In case you have this, I don't know how to fix this, but there's this part where you you'll be able to show everything. So the only thing I select that one, control, then select that one, select that, then yeah, you can try to adjust this, but I'm sure I did most of the work. I did most of the work. So during my preparation of this design, most of the work, I made sure that everything is. If there's adjustment, you can just do very minimal adjustments. That's what can be done with this. So we don't need this. So all we can do is just export and search panel. Search panel. Name is a search panel. There you go. You have now this search panel for yourself. Let's see. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it. Thank you. Actually, thank you for watching this tutorial.